Nosetests is capturing the output of my print statements. How to circumvent this? When I type, all my print outputs are captured when all tests pass. I want to see print outputs even everything passes. So what I'm doing is to force an assertion error to see the output, like this. It feels so hackish, there must be a better way. Enlighten me please.
Either or. It can also be specified in the nose.cfg file, see nosetests help.
Use. It worked for me.
This was added recently to nose instead of not captured. Do this.
In order to integrate with this URL, I have put this into travis.ym. Where setup.py contains
I